Welcome to Natural Fluency.
I place my open bag on the sturdy wooden table. I place my open bag on the sturdy wooden table. I put my heavy book in the bag. I put my heavy book in the bag. I make sure I have all my notebooks and pens ready. I make sure I have all my notebooks and pens ready. I check my wallet and keys one last time. I check my wallet and keys one last time. I slide my phone into the small pocket. I slide my phone into the small pocket. It fits perfectly and stays safe in the side compartment. It fits perfectly and stays safe in the side compartment. I check to see if I've forgotten anything else. I check to see if I've forgotten anything else. I pull the zipper shut. I pull the zipper shut. I lift the bag by the handle. I lift the bag by the handle. The bag feels heavy but well organized for the day. The bag feels heavy but well organized for the day. Before I head out, I decide to check the morning update. Before I head out, I decide to check the morning update. I hold my phone in my hand. I hold my phone in my hand. I tap the screen to see the latest notifications. I tap the screen to see the latest notifications. I look at the bright screen. I look at the bright screen. I quickly scroll down to the weather forecast section. I quickly scroll down to the weather forecast section. Outside is cold and cloudy. Outside is cold and cloudy. I look through the window and see the gray, misty sky. I look through the window and see the gray, misty sky. I need to wear my big coat. I need to wear my big coat. I grab my warm jacket from the hook near the door. I grab my warm jacket from the hook near the door. Now I am fully prepared and ready to step out.